In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add receipts in Xero. Whether you're managing a small business or handling a larger organization's accounting needs, keeping track of receipts is crucial for maintaining clear and accurate financial records. Today, we'll go through the process of adding receipts in Xero step by step, ensuring that you can manage your accounts payable efficiently and with confidence. So let's get started on streamlining your financial management. First, you'll want to navigate to Xero's website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial status. Let's make our way to the section labeled Bills You Need to Pay. This area is specifically designed to help you keep track of all pending payments and is a great starting point when you're organizing your receipts. Once you've clicked on Bills You Need to Pay, look for the tab labeled Paid. Clicking this will take you to a list of all the bills you've already handled. This is a crucial step because keeping an updated record of paid bills will save you time and headache in the future, as you can easily verify what has already been processed. Next, direct your attention to the section of the page where you can view all the contacts associated with your payments. Clicking on Contacts will reveal details about the different vendors and service providers you're dealing with. This is a handy way to ensure that you have all the necessary information about each contact, which is essential for correctly associating receipts with their corresponding transactions. After viewing your contacts, you will see an option to click on this, which will bring you to a more detailed view of a specific transaction. In this section, you can review transaction details such as amounts and dates, which helps reinforce the accuracy of your financial records before uploading receipts. Once you've confirmed the transaction details, the next step is crucial: uploading your files. To do this, click on Upload Files. Xero allows you to add your receipt files easily, whether they're scanned images or PDFs, by simply selecting them from your computer. Ensuring that each receipt is attached to the proper bill helps maintain the integrity of your records and supports smoother audits in the future. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to add receipts in Xero. Remember, organizing your receipts not only saves time, but also improves the clarity and reliability of your financial data. Keep practicing this process to become more proficient, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for joining me today, and happy accounting!